Hey komo mai, welcome. In today's video, we're at one of Waikiki's most well-loved resorts, the vibrant Sheraton Waikīkī. We'll kick things off with RumFire's brand new happy hour menu, then take you through a peek at their oceanfront rooms, the spacious Ohana suite, and the resort's central lobby. As a Fora Travel Advisor and lifelong locals, we share new Oahu travel videos every week, from local eats and hidden gems to curated luxury escapes. So if those are your loves too, be sure to subscribe and join our Hawaii loving community. And we'd be so appreciative if you'd hit like and even that new hype button. It's what allows us to keep bringing lots more Hawaii life your way. So the question is the Sheraton Waikīkī the perfect place to stay on your next visit? We're so happy you're here with us. Let's get started. For something special as a souvenir, why not take home an ukulele from here in the Sheraton Waikīkī? Vibe is definitely relaxed. I know one of our viewers here, and you know who you are, thanks for watching. I know that he mentioned that he and his wife like to stay here at the Sheraton Waikīkī, so really special that we'll get a chance to show you guys some rooms a little bit around the hotel as well. Of course, it's the beach in front of me. This has RumFire. Sheraton Waikīkī is really nostalgic because I used to love to come to the Hana room when they had that before. They had the best strawberries with white chocolate fondue. Do you guys remember that? And like piano music. They've got gorgeous views here, indoor and outdoor seating. They are seating us outdoors, so let's go and take a look. See what our table looks like here. You have your own little private walkway to the beach here if you're staying at the Sheraton Waikīkī. This is really nice. You're going to get a nice little strip of beach that maybe not the masses will be getting to because you'll be going through the hotel here. The tide is in right now, so there's not a whole lot of sand right at this moment, but you're still getting really beautiful crystal clear waters. It's really gorgeous. And in a minute we're gonna have some yummy food and some refreshing drinks on top of this.
Caliente spicy margarita. I got it straight up because I don't like my drinks watered down by ice, and it looks really good, but it is a little on the orange side, so I'm curious to try it. And it has a what on the rim? Is it tahini?
Tahini is sesame seeds, so tahini is a little different.
So, what I like about this spicy margarita compared to others is a lot of times they'll use like a habanero or jalapeno. This tastes like a Hawaiian chili pepper, like margarita. It has that flavor that's really nice. It's mild. It does have a kick to it. So if you don't like spice, this is not for you. But if you can handle mild spice, this is a good drink. And at the happy hour, this is $15, so not a terrible deal. Kind of what you would expect to pay here in Waikiki, but the view here is amazing, and you have a full diamond head view all the way down to San Souci, all the way to the coast. You get to see the lots of surfers, turtles in the water, often turtles in here. Quesadillas, we have the chicken skewers, so you can get a view of that. The pipi kaula truffle French fries. I'm super excited about that. And the poke nacho.
And I got what they call the graveyard drink. This is a matcha, although you can add liquor to it if you'd like. This one has pineapple juice, calamansi, and club soda. I'm a huge fan of calamansi, so I'm super excited. I'm not really a big fan of pineapple, but I guess we'll have to take it. It's really refreshing. It doesn't have that really sharp acidity of the pineapple, so I really like it. I get that nice flavorful tartness, but that smooth flavor of the calamansi a lot more. This is very refreshing. Really happy with this as a mocktail.
So for those who do not know what a calamansi is, can you give me a little description?
I kind of think of it as a marriage between kind of like a lime and an orange, almost like a more mellow lime, kind of more fragrant lime, but let's get the consensus because I'm not the calamansi expert.
Musk lime that's native to the Philippines, and it's a beautiful flavor because it's smooth, it's not sharp, and it's very distinctive in the flavoring. And if you have something with it, you'll know right away that it's calamansi in it. So it's a favorite of mine personally because I'm Filipino and I love that flavor profile. So
Would you call it like floral kind of?
it is.
almost?
It is very much so. And
It's hard.
and it's a much smoother, sweeter lime.
And you also got the margarita. I'm curious if you get your thoughts on that.
So this is the same thing that was straight up with the other, but this is with how they usually have it with the tagine and that mixture of that spiciness. It's a nice drink. It's very, very refreshing.
Is this a chili pepper?
I think so.
Wow.
So within it, you can see that Hawaiian chili, and as was mentioned, that Hawaiian chili is very unique in flavor. Everybody thinks it's similar to a Thai bird chili, but it doesn't have that super heat. It's a very nice, pleasant heat, and it's a very approachable. So it's a nice drink to have, and the beautiful view can't be beat.
Well, I'm excited about these because usually they're on 110 chips and I'm trying to eat gluten free. So the sauce on here looks like unagi sauce, and that is going to have soy sauce, and that will have wheat in it, so just something to be aware of. That's pretty good. It's not really spicy, it has like a little hint maybe, a tiny bit of spice, but really good, really flavorful. If you like poke nachos, you're going to love that one. And I'm going to just take one last thing here. We got the pipi kala fries dusted with truffle, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and try the fry itself. It looks really good. You can see all of the seasoning on there. I love a good seasoned fry.
So here's the pipi kala that comes on the pipi kala fries. I love pipi kala. It's kind of like a Hawaiian smoked meat. And look at that, it's beautiful. So the French fries actually are amazing as well. Go ahead and try this. This is good. You're gonna really enjoy this. I never had it paired up with French fries, but it definitely does work.
And then the other thing that you got was the quesadillas, right? The kolote quesadillas with that mystery green sauce.
Kalua pork quesadilla, the mystery green sauce. I'm not a big fan of avocado, and I didn't look at the menu to see if this is avocado or not. But I've already had a little bit of my drink, so I like to think that I kind of numb my taste buds just a little bit. So I'm gonna dive in and go ahead and give this a try. So flavorful. Has that real sweet, that salty, savory flavor. Again, it's so tender, just falls apart. Definitely recommend you try this. So that green sauce here with the quesadilla is an avocado lime sauce, but you know what? I actually really liked it. I have this aversion to avocados, the traumatic childhood experience, but like not knowing that it was avocado, I actually gave it a try and I really enjoyed it. And it goes so well together. Definitely recommend you try it.
So overall, really impressed with the Aloha Ari here at RumFire. Definitely a good one to come and check out. Whether you're coming at 4:30 to 5:30, it is daily, or 8:30 to 9:30. This could be a really good one if maybe you have a family, you put your kids to bed, and you want to come and get something a little special, or maybe you just want something, maybe you had a really, really early dinner and you want something. This is really a good one. We're really happy with all of the food and all of the drinks on here. It's absolutely delicious, so definitely recommend coming here. And just a little tip, something that we did learn is if you're staying at any of the four, the Princess Kailani, the Sheraton Waikīkī, the Moana Surf Rider, or here at the Royal Hawaiian, as of this filming, you could charge to your room between them. So maybe even if you're staying at the Moana and you want to come here for dinner, you could charge it back to your room. So there's something super helpful. And this is within walking distance of all of those. It's super, super close to right off Kalakaua Avenue, even though it feels like we're in a different world here with this gorgeous ocean. Hey guys, so we had a really amazing time at RumFire again. And then also just something really interesting, if you're local or maybe you're driving, you're kind of thinking like, oh, Waikiki might be a little hard to get into. They do validate for 4 hours, so really fantastic. Have some dinner. You could even jump in the ocean if you wanted to right in front there, or maybe go walk around a little bit, get a little shopping done. But definitely come here. Don't be afraid of this in Waikiki, the Sheraton Waikīkī. It's a very easy, accessible, approachable hotel here. So again, super happy with our evening. Can't wait to come back. But for now, let's go check out a couple of those rooms and these views. They are incredible. So excited to show you. Very spacious, very large, very modern, very what you would feel like very family friendly, even more so. Of course, this would be great for honeymooners and couples as well, but definitely another nice, more relaxed option if you're traveling with a larger family or you kind of want a little bit more of a relaxed vibe.
something to consider. So let's go show you a couple of the rooms. Okay, so there's a restroom right off the front with a tub and shower combo. This room has 2 double beds. It's very modern, feels very family friendly. It's very fresh and clean. And of course, AC feels amazing. And then it's got this nice balcony. Let's take a look at the view. There's a lot here. So we were just to prime turtle viewing. There's Diamond Head. There's the ocean, of course. Beautiful, expansive views. And take a look at their pool. Nice infinity edge. As you can see too, this is a really nice portion of Waikiki Beach. So you've got a little private area. You're staying here at the Sheraton Waikīkī that you can access the sand. So you can see it's all sand bottom here. So this is a great place if you have little kids or you don't want to have to be worrying about the coral or the rocks. It's beautiful. Really something. So Sheraton Waikīkī still got a nice bit of that luxury, very modern, very clean, very open, airy, very family friendly. Really nice if you like a very modern. 1602, this is the Ohana Suite. Let's take a look around and show you. So I see a bedroom here. It looks like a nice, I think it's a king size bed. There's a balcony off of this room as well. Of course, it's going to be ocean view. Lovely.
Tons of storage space, so lots of drawers, lots of closets.
Really, really family friendly. So, of course, Ohana Suite. And then, oh, I really love this light fixture. What do you guys think? I love that. It's got a dining table, a nice couch, microwave, coffee station, TV. Again, nice seating areas. And this view, first it is going to the oceanfront view. Beautiful. And that goes to the bedroom as well. The water. Wow. Get a little glimpse of the halikalani next door with their pool. Second bedroom. Nice, looks to have a balcony view, nice chair, 2 double beds. Nice if you, again, are traveling with the family, larger travel group. Take you guys out to this balcony. Everything's so modern here, even the tile on the floors. Nice seating area to kind of just sit and have a glimpse of the ocean. And Sheraton Waikīkī there too. Of course, it's got a killer view of Diamond Head. Look at this, the color of that water. Really fantastic. It's really hard to put into words just how beautiful this is. You really have to see it for yourself. You can see all of the nice white sandy areas and surfers off into the distance. All of the boats just enjoying. And then we just learned a fun little fact about the fact that this is the longest infinity pool here in North America. So if you want to experience that, this is the hotel for you. And of course, if you're interested in staying here at the Sheraton Waikīkī, let me know. And just like with the Royal Hawaiian or the Moana Surf Rider, we'll definitely get you the best possible room for you. Talk about some great pricing options and see what we could add in to make your stay extra special and extra stress-free. Really a memorable vacation. What do you guys think of the Sheraton Waikīkī? Have you stayed here before? I'd love to know. And if you did, what is your favorite room category? Or places to eat here as well. It's a really great hotel.
Thanks again so much for joining us at the Sheraton Waikīkī. From RumFire's new menu to those incredible views of those rooms, we hope you enjoyed this inside look at one of Waikiki's most well-loved resorts. As always, we're sending you sunshine and aloha, this time from the vibrant Sheraton Waikīkī.